Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alma's Kitchen. See, I almost forgot about this one chicken recipe until this happened.
அப்பமா வைக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Exactly.
Yeah?
Exactly.
Honestly, it was a shocker. It just tasted like my grandma's chicken kurma. And also, this is one of the most creative recipes I got from my mom so far. So I encourage you to try it at home too. If you ever do it, please let me know how you like it. Here's the recipe. Get one whole chicken, cut into medium-sized pieces, wash it with turmeric, and season it with these spices. Mix it well and marinate it for 30 minutes. Alright, here's the first secret sauce. Get a handful of coriander seeds and gently roast it to golden brown. Then add all of these spices. Roast it well and grind it into a sauce with a little water. Here's the second secret sauce. Get some rice and cashews, roast them for 5 minutes. Add shredded coconut. Add ginger and garlic, roast it well, and grind it into another water-based sauce. Okay, for the sauces, take your time and roast them well because that roasted flavor and the smell definitely add to the dish. Get a pot to medium hot, add some oil, add these spices, add these chopped veggies, and season it with these spices and cook it well for 10 minutes. And add the chicken, mix it up, and cook it for 15 minutes. And then add the magic sauces and cook it for another 15 minutes, and your chicken kurma is ready. Here are the ingredients if you ever want to try it at home. Give us a like and subscribe. I'll see you soon with another recipe. Take care.